how to connect a device to the Smart Life app. First, you will load up the app and make sure you have signed into your account. Once you have signed in, then you will click on the plus sign in the top right corner, and there at the very top you should see Add Device. Once you click on Add Device, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and also your Bluetooth, and it should automatically detect any eligible devices right here, and you will be able to select from this list. Now, I'm not signed in, that's why it's not detecting anything, but if you want to, you can also do it manually here. You will see all of the available options such as lighting, sensors, large home appliances, so on and so forth. And here you will need to click on the device which you are trying to connect, and then you can connect it by following the prompts on the app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.